right, so let's just. Lamar Wilson. How you doing? Good to see you, Lamar Wilson here, back for another video. All right, so this is the TurboGrafx-16 Mini. Many of y'all heard about this. It was delayed, you know, because all the things that are going on. Now the embargo's over and we get to unbox it and talk about it. So the TurboGrafx-16 originally came out in 1987. I wasn't even born then. I'm lying. And in the US, it came out in 1989. Now in Japan, this game system was very popular, but in the US, this particular model has 57 games. 32 of these games are in Japanese only, so they're called PC Engine games, as you can see right there. All right, so let's just take a look at it. Ooh, instructions, because those are important to read. Man, this is kind of big. This is mini, so it's USB powered. It comes with the USB cord. It does not come with the, the power brick thing. So this also has 2 USB ports in the front for 2 controllers. Now, back in the day, you only had 1 controller, but this one has, at least in the first edition, and this one has 2. Now, they only give you 1 controller here, though, but it is long. Okay, I like that. I like it being long. Okay, so you get to take a look at that controller there. It gives you the HDMI. This is a cover that's in the back, so you have to, oh boy, I should have read how to take this. Okay, mom. Okay, that was not that easy. Oh, okay, and then it's looks like a mini USB power cord that would go here. All right, and just to give you perspective of how long this cord is. Okay, well, I mean, you don't need perspective. This is a long cord. So video output is 720p and 480p. Power is 5 volts. I am really curious about how this thing plays, and I'm really curious about some of these games. We're not gonna look at all of them, but we'll take a look at some random ones, and let's do that now. Okay, let's just go through these games. Alien Crush, Blazing Lasers, Dungeon Explorer, Motor Rotor, Power Golf. That can't look that good. I don't know. R-Type, Victory Run. Okay, Chew Man Fu. That sounds a little. Okay, JJ and Jeff. I've never heard of that. Military Madness, Newtopia. Ninja. Sorry. Said the wrong thing. Ninja Spirit. I'm not gonna tell you what I was about to say. You won't know. Psychosis, Spirit Harrier. Oh, I'm looking at the titles as written on the. I should just read the title that's down below. Splatterhouse, YS Book 1 and 2, Bonk's Revenge. Okay, Kadash, Parasol Stars. I haven't heard of any of these. Airzonk, Utopia 2, New Adventure Island, Soldier Blade, yo. No, okay. Bomberman. I've heard of Bomberman. I have it, but I never played 93. Lords of Thunder, Alien. Okay, so we're back. Now, I know there. Okay, it says PC Engine down there. Okay, so if I click that. Okay, go a little slower there. All right, the Kung Fu, these are all Japanese games. These are all in Japanese. Galaga 88. Ooh. I'm not gonna read all these, but we'll go through each one of them. Utopia. Okay. So some of these, there's a couple duplicates there. You can read them. I ain't reading no more. Utopia 2. Okay, we got a little duplicate there. That's okay. That's okay. I'm trying to see where Bomberman 94. Whoa. Bomberman Panic Bomber. Whoa. Okay, Galaga, we're talking about Galaga 88, so are we back? Did we go through this already? Okay, but that's actually kind of cool. So, I'm going to go back to the TurboGrafx-16 that you see at the bottom there. Okay, so click that. Okay, let's see what the options are. Settings. I just want to see what the settings are. User manual. Oh, well, they have those in there? Hold on. Oh, you want to access the manual online? Go ahead and click that right there. Or scan it with your phone. It's right there. Then you get the This is pretty easy to understand. So yeah, buttons. I don't know what but I'm guessing these are turbo buttons. I'm not sure. Here, how about we return to menu? So how about we just start with what I know? Let's start with Bomberman. It doesn't mean I'm good. Oh, it shows it the cartridge being put in. That's awesome. Okay, let's do normal game. Oh, push the run button. I need to pay attention. Is this like the Bomberman? I know you are cute. Okay, meet Digger. What's your name? Watch that word. All right. Oh, okay. You know, I feel like I've played this. Okay, bomb, go away. Oh no! Oh no! You have to press select and run together to just go back to the game menu. Okay, I was sitting here like, we've been here 3 hours trying to, I'm lying, it was only like 2 minutes, but still, I was trying to figure it out. Okay, return to menu. Yes, I know everything we lost. I could save, right? I'm glad it has that, but I don't want to save that. That was a bad game. Okay, let's try, what's this soldier blade thing about? I love the animation that it just sticks in there. Okay, Operation 1. Wait, oh, okay, so you shoot with the 2 button. The button on the left, okay. Okay, what is the one, what is that? The one button doesn't seem to do anything. So it feels like a little Galaga thing going on. Okay, oh, then you gotta, wait, oh, you can't let that thing, okay. Okay, oh. Okay. I like this a lot. Oh no! Listen, I'm old. Okay, okay, so I want to try this alien crush because I have crushes on aliens. I do. I would do things to aliens that you would never heard before in this world. Is this pinball? Wait a minute. This is pinball. So this is the right flapper. This button here is the right flapper, and then this is all right. But down is the other one. Okay. Okay. Can you spit out my ball, please? Thank you. Okay, no! This is pinball! Okay, oh, whoa, that was, slow down. You know, that wasn't my fault. There was nothing I could have done. Oh my God, that was actually, oh, we gotta try some racing. I kind of like this thing. This looks like that Need for Speed. I mean, like, what? I'm trying to see what is my motivation here. What is my motivation? If there's nothing on the road for me to dodge, why am I playing? You see the city up there? We're leaving Smallville, honey. Oh look, the sun is set. Let's go get Clark from the city. I don't. I'm not sure what the purpose of that game was. Okay, you know what? I'm not even gonna say the name. It's, but why am I a little girl? Use all your courage to defeat the wicked Chew. Charleston Chew? No. What? You think you can challenge my rule? All of China couldn't defeat me. My dedicated followers will string you up by your pigtails. I am a little girl. Why is Discount Donkey Kong coming after me? Is this like a Bomberman? Wait, hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, hold on. I do that and then I get, oh, okay. Okay. I kind of see. Wait, do I, what am I supposed to do? Is it another, oh, you can push that way. You can use 2 to push it. Okay, now I've blocked him in. Okay, hold on. I'm starting to understand here. And then you hit, oh, then you press 1, the 1 to hit. Ah. Oh, no. Oh, no! Let's test out a couple of the Japanese-only games to see if I even know how to read them. I hope I can read. Okay, I'm gonna go with the Bomberman. Well, okay, we already did the Bomberman. Let's try this. PC Jin. What does that sign say? Oh, I need that. I need that. It's a little happy time. What does the happy yum yum do? All right, got the happy yum yum. Ah! I hit him! Am I invincible now? I look mad. Why am I upset? All right, happy yum yum. Wait, so I get meat and then I turn ferocious? Okay. I missed my happy yum yum. What does that big meat do? Oh! Okay, happy yum yums! They're all over the place! Yum yum! Ah! If I get hit... Okay. Lost my happy yum yums, that's fine. I'm just gonna hold it, then close my eyes and just press something. That's what we're playing. Oh, it's the same game! We can't do that. Hold on. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. I'm gonna hold it, go back a little bit, hold it, and then press. Hey, we're playing that game. Okay. Gradius. This will be the last game. Oh! Okay, you shoot with 2. Ah! Okay, one of those kind of games. Okay, I gotcha. Not gonna be a problem. These bombs, do I run into them? Is that a good thing? I mean, I know it's not a good thing, but TurboGrafx-16 Mini. I know all these systems are coming out with Mini, but I'm kind of digging this one only because I haven't played any of these games, and so I kind of like this. I'm gonna put links below to the information. It might be an Amazon link down there. When I looked, the Amazon link said December release. I'm not sure if that's true. I know it's available to talk about now. The embargo lifted, so I'm not sure when it'll release. But I'll put the Amazon link below that they gave me, and I'll put any other information down there below for you to check it out. Listen, Konami, I should say. Thank you for sending this to me to check out. Appreciate that, and thank you all for watching. And I'm not sure what game we just hit. Oh, it just started over. Okay. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!